Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to see, we are going to ask Cursor AI to integrate Swagger in our project. So we have just a context from the previous video, like we have asked Cursor AI to design the current API, current operation. So it has given. So we have tested fine. So now we are going to ask next as a next step to the Cursor AI to integrate Swagger. So let us see whether let's prompt it. Okay, integrate in the okay. Let's say configure Swagger configure Swagger for my Spring Boot version for Spring Boot version. What is version 3.4.7? Include related config classes, related config classes as well. Okay, so let's see what Cursor will do for us. Okay, it started generating. Basically, I want Swagger, OpenAI Swagger documentation to be implemented here. So that's the use case which I have given for given to this Cursor. Let's see. So it is generating connection failed. The problem persists to the internet. Not sure. Let's do one thing. Let's give one more time. Okay. I have the good connection, but I don't know why it is saying internet. Fine. It's taking longer. Not sure. Okay. Let's see. Started searching file. Timeout. Okay, guys. So it has brought this OpenAI. Okay. Let me add accept and let me add it in this pop.xml. Then next step, okay, what it is asking is me to put this in the controller class. So okay, so let me put into the controller class. So it is asking me to run the Maven install. So let me do that also. Okay, since we added the dependency. Okay, so it is installing. Whatever. Okay, let us download. Okay, so file. Okay, it is installing the package. Okay, so build success. Run the next. Let's see. Okay, now it is showing dependency added, configured added. Okay, it's asking me to restart the application. Let's restart this application. Okay, so it has asked to okay Swagger. Okay. Okay, so the server is restarted. So let's copy this URL and paste it here. So let's see whether it gets taken. Awesome, guys. So it has taken this all. So it has configured by just one prompt. It has configured the Swagger. Very awesome. So let's try whether we can get the responses. Okay, it is configured the responses. You try it out. Give the ID one. Execute. Awesome, guys. So it is giving me the Okay, I need to add. Let's do one thing. Try it out. Okay. Okay. Let's try the post. Some fancy product. Let's say Titan watch. Description. Say BSC. Give some price as let's say 2000. Let's submit. Okay, I got the 200 status code for submission. Let me execute product API. I got this product API. Awesome, guys. So in just 1 minute, this less than a 1 minute, this Cursor AI has configured Swagger for us. Well, this is very awesome. So okay, so in the next tutorial, we will do some more use cases and we will explore like some complex logic, or we will ask to implement Spring Security or JWT implementation. So let's see. Okay, let's explore a couple of other complex use cases with this Cursor AI. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Thank you. If you like, okay, before winding up, if you like this AI integration, my work, please, kick that subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.